The simplified loader templates allow users to download lookups using the getLookupValues operation. This operation retrieves data based on the access assigned to the user downloading the lookup values. Once the lookup values are downloaded into the Excel template and the file is saved, the lookup values are also stored within the template. When the Excel template file containing the downloaded lookup values is shared with another user, that user receives the lookup values downloaded by the original user. In scenarios where users do not have the same level of data access as the original user, they will still be able to see the lookup data retrieved by the original user. To manage the sharing of lookup data via the simplified loader template, administrators can use a control called Lookup Share. This control allows administrators to determine whether lookup values downloaded by one user can be used by another. To apply restrictions on downloaded lookup values, administrators must enable this control before sharing the template with users. To do this, navigate to the Admin panel. Select the Lookup Share control. Selecting this control displays Enable and Disable buttons. The instructions box shows the current status of the Lookup Share setting. Currently, lookup sharing is enabled. To disable sharing, I will click the Disable button. The status of the control will immediately change to disabled. Once lookup sharing is disabled, administrators can share the template with users. Now, when one user downloads the lookup values and shares the template with another user, the lookup values will be immediately deleted as soon as the other user logs into the Excel sheet. I hope you like the demo.